Navigating Danger, Africa's Top 10 Most Perilous Countries. Welcome to our exploration of the top 10 most dangerous countries in Africa, based on various safety indexes and travel advisories. Top 10. Yemen. While Yemen is geographically part of the Arabian Peninsula, it's often included in discussions about Africa due to its proximity and regional connections. Yemen faces a complex humanitarian crisis resulting from civil war, foreign intervention, and widespread poverty. Top 9. Burundi. Burundi has experienced political unrest and violence, particularly surrounding the disputed re-election of President Pierre Nkurunziza in 2015. Human rights abuses and political repression have contributed to ongoing instability. Top 8. Mali. Mali has faced insurgency and terrorism, particularly in the northern regions where armed groups have sought to establish control. The country also faces challenges related to ethnic tensions, weak governance, and poverty. Top 7. Sudan. Sudan has faced protracted conflicts, including the Darfur genocide and the civil war in South Sudan. The country underwent a political transition following the ousting of longtime President Omar al-Bashir in 2019 but continues to grapple with instability and economic challenges. Top 6. Central African Republic (CAR) has experienced recurring cycles of violence, including sectarian conflict between Christian and Muslim militias. Political instability and weak governance exacerbate humanitarian crises in the country. Top 5. Nigeria. Nigeria faces multiple security challenges, including insurgency by Boko Haram in the northeast, intercommunal violence, and kidnappings for ransom. Political instability and corruption also contribute to the country's challenges. Top 4. Libya. Since the overthrow of Muammar Gaddafi in 2011, Libya has been marked by ongoing conflict between rival factions, leading to political instability, violence, and a humanitarian crisis. The country has also become a major transit route for migrants seeking to reach Europe. Top 3. Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. The DRC has experienced numerous conflicts and is often referred to as the rape capital of the world due to widespread sexual violence. It also faces challenges such as political instability, resource conflicts, and disease outbreaks like Ebola. Top 2. South Sudan. Despite gaining independence in 2011, South Sudan has been mired in conflict, including ethnic violence and political instability. The country faces humanitarian crises, including food insecurity and displacement. Top 1. Somalia remains highly volatile with ongoing armed conflicts, terrorism, and piracy, severely impacting safety and security throughout the country. Understanding these risks is crucial for anyone planning to travel or work in these regions, emphasizing the importance of staying informed and cautious.